Okay, number 18. Ashton picked 6 pounds of pecans. He used 1/3 of the pecans in a soup recipe. Ashton puts the pecans that are left in 1/4 pound bags. How many bags of pecans does he have? So 1/3 of 6 is 2. So 6 minus 2 equals 4. Because 1/3, each third is a 2 in 6. So yeah, it's 4. So pecans that are left in 1/4 pound bags. Okay, so that means the equation right now is 4 divided by 1/4. So that you can this equals times and 4. So that means the new equation is 4 times 4 equals 16. Answer 16. A. Isabella has 2 1/4 cups of granola and adds 1 1/2 cups of raisins. Then she adds 1 1/4 cup of almonds to the mix. Then she divides the mix into 1/4 cup servings. How many 1/4 cup servings does she have? So first you do 2 1/4 plus 1 1/2, which equals to 2 1/4 plus 1 2/4, which equals to 3 3/4. So after you add the other 1 1/4, it equals 4 4 out of 4, which equals to 5. Now she divides the mix into 1 cup servings. The equation right now is 5 divided by 1/4. Now we're going to find the reciprocal of this. The reciprocal of this is 5 times 4 equals 20. And 20 is the answer. Melvin walked 5/8 mile to the library. He then walked 3/10 mile from the library to the store. About how far did Melvin walk? So you can, the least common denominator for this, actually it might be 80, or maybe, actually it could be 40. 8 times 5, 40. So 5 out of 8 times 5 out of 5 equals 25 over 40. Then 3/10 times 4 over 4 equals 12 over 40. And then when you add them, it's 37 over 40. So it's basically about 1 mile. B. Next page. (21) Mrs. Friedman baked a walnut cake for her class. This model below shows how much cake she brought to school and how much she had left at the end of the day. Before school, after school. These are the 2 models. Which fraction represents the difference between the amount of cake Miss Friedman had before school and after school? So these are 8s and those are 4. This is a 4th. And these are 8. So this is 7 out of 8, and this is just a 1/4. So how would you find the difference? Let's make the denominator same first. 1/4 times 2 out of 2 equals 2 out of 8. So it's basically, the equation is 178 minus 2 8s, which equals 15 out of 8. And that is your answer. What fraction represents the So this is the difference. 1/5 out of 8. Number 22. Julie spends 3/4 hours studying on Monday and 1/6 hour studying on Tuesday. How many hours does Julie study on those 2 days? So there's a bottle here. This is the hole, and that's how much hours does Julie study on these 2 days? So the answer is simple. All you do is count these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That means it's D, 11th, 12th hour. A chef makes 4 different quiches, as is the special of the day. At the end of the day, each dish had 3/8 of the quiche left. How much quiche was bought in all? Like how much quiche was bought? So, for this one, you do 4, actually. So, here, it says at the end of the day, each dish had 3/8 quiche left. So, that means if there was a dish, each had 3/8 quiche left. This is times 4. 4 dishes had 3/8 quiche left. So how much quiche was brought in all? So if you do 8 minus 3 equals 5. You do that because how much quiche was bought in all? And if you do this, you need to find how much is left. How much more is gonna make a whole. So it's gonna be 5/8 plus 5/8 plus 5/8 plus 5/8, which equals 20 out of 8. And now we have to simplify because that's not here. You're like, it's an improper fraction, how will we simplify it? Well, just simplify it. So you can divide it by 4, and then you get 5 out of 2. And is this answer there? Yes, C. "24. Paulo had 2 1/4 feet of red twine. He had 1 5/12 feet of blue twine. He used some twine to make a craft. He has 11 feet of twine left. How much twine did Paulo use for his craft?" It says he used some twine. So first, let's add 2 1/4 and 1 5/12. 2 1/4 plus 1 5/12. So this 1/4 times 3 out of 3 equals 3 out of 12. So that means we can do 3 out of 12 plus 1 5 out of 12, which equals 3 8 out of 12. So this is 3 8 out of 12. And then it says he used some twine. That means minus something equals 111 out of 12. So how you will do this is you do 3 8 out of, how you will find this number, this question mark, is that you do 3 8 12 minus 1 11 12. You're like, this number is bigger than that. So yeah, so we're gonna rename. This will turn into a 2 plus 12 out of 12. Okay, and then this 12 out of 12 will go here. So the new equation is 2 8. Actually, no, it won't go here. It won't go here. It will go here because this is less. So the new equation is 220 out of 12 and minus 111 out of 12, which equals 9 out of 12. So that's how much feet he used. But is that answer there? No. So we'll have to simplify this. 9 out of 12 divided by 3 over 3, which equals 3 over 4. That means the answer is 1/3 over 4. Is that there? Yes, B. Which property or properties does the problem use below?